Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to delete OTPs automatic after 24 hours on your Android. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to delete all OTPs after 24 hours in your Android, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you have to open your messages app. After that, in top right side corner you will find profile icon, tap on that, then tap on message settings. Scroll down. Here you will find message organization. You have to just tap on this. In this you will find one option, auto delete OTPs after 24 hours. Current and future OTPs will be permanently deleted after 24 hours. Just you have to enable this option. After enabling, after 24 hours, all whatever OTPs you will receive, it will be deleted automatically when it passes 24 hours. That's it guys. So in this way you can automatically delete OTPs after 24 hours in your Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.